Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I've got a haul for you. I want to start off by saying please ignore the nails. They are so overgrown or grown out, whatever you want to call it. I haven't done my nails for probably over 3 weeks now. Anyway, that's not why you're here. I got one item from eBay, few things from Amazon, and then I got a little Glitterbels haul. So I will start off with eBay. I got these foils. I didn't read the description. Kind of wish I did now, because these are very small. I looked back and they're only 20 centimeters long, so that's all you get. I think there's 5 of them. Paid $1.99. But anyway, they're cute. The Valentine's-y kind of feel. Love this one. Very girly. Oh, I've just seen it. It says love on it. But that's cute. And then we have this. Have I got? Let me put it up against that so you can see a bit better. There you go. Holographic hearts, which is very cute. And then these tiny ones. I wish they were longer. And then this gold one. And then this holographic, they're like dots, which is pretty. And I think this one is my fave. Pink with clear or see-through hearts. There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, the 6. Which I think is, they're cute, but it's just a shame that I didn't get many, or didn't get much. Right, let's put you back. Okay. Right, now onto Amazon. I will show you these. I got some I don't know what they call them. You know, these things for your nail polishes, so you do a swatch so you can see what colour they are. So I got some of those. I know there's 50. Sorry for crinkling. 50 for, I don't know, £3 maybe, I want to say. Oh, this, I didn't open it because I knew what it was. You know what I just showed you now? That black folder. Well, I didn't show you it, I used it as a background. I have 6 of them. I can't even get into it. To put my foils and my water decals. I ran out of space, so I bought another. This is really, really good for your foils, and I'm trying to, yeah, this is what it looks like. your foils. I also put my decals in, they fit. Let me get you one. Sorry, I'm moving everything. Yeah, so yeah, they sit perfectly. So like I said, I ran out of space. Have 6 of them and they hold 160, so yeah. Anyway, needed a new one. I think that was only like almost £4. Very handy. Right, so then I saw this cheap acrylic brush. Now, I'm not sure the price, to be honest. I'm not sure the price, but it has like a wooden red handle. It's a size 12. I don't really think it is a size 12. It's quite small, and it's a small brush. Like if I compare it to my cat's one, look at the size difference. So this is a 12. You can see there it says 12. So look at the size difference. So I'm saying maybe that's 10. But it does say on it it's a size 12. But they lie in. So if you want one, I will send you the link and just get the size up. So if you're looking for an 8, get a 10. If you want a 10, get a 12. So yeah. And it wasn't expensive at all. Like, I don't know, 4 quid maybe. I don't know. Right, and then I bought 2 packs of swatch sticks because I only have maybe 2 left. And I have the stiletto ones. And I wanted some more of these, so 50 in a pack. I think I paid just under £6 for the 2, which I think is great. Right, now onto the goodies. I got 2 Beetles sets. This one, it says Beetles Pastel Gel Nail. So pastel colours. I've got like winter colours and dark reds, and I needed some colour for spring. So I got these. I will be doing swatches. So that is those. Now you know why I bought these. And then this one, let me move you. This one is pale pink and glitter. So pinks, and there's 2 glittery ones in there and a white. So yeah, I will be doing swatches of those. And then let's move all these back. Then I got some goodies from Glitterbels. Remove those. That's it. Do you know, I need to get a bigger mat. I think this is A4. I need to get a size up. Anyway, so I got glass slippers. I have one. It's almost empty. So I got that. Then I got Pink Opal Shimmer. I will do swatches of these. Not today though. Oh, you ain't gonna see that. It's beautiful. It's got like a super fine glitter in that. No, you're not going to see, but it's very pretty. Yeah, so I think the big ones are core powders, and then the smaller ones are colour. So this is Michaela. She is very pretty. I doubt very much you're going to see it. Gosh. Oh, you probably will actually. She is stunning. Love her. Then we have Lilac Crush. She is stunning. It looks so much better in real life. She's so beautiful. Love her. Calling it a her. Mad. And then lastly, I got Your Mint. I don't have any greens. I was going to get that teal one, but I wanted, clearly I wanted this one. Okay, on camera that looks blue, but it's not, it's a green. My daughter says that it's a green. My daughter was saying it was a blue, but it's not. It's green. Mint is green. Right, that is it for this haul. I have a Smiley's and Charlie's nail art video haul coming up after this one. I didn't want to put it in this because it's just going to be too long, and we are already 13 minutes. So if you want links to anything, let me know. I'll be more than happy to give it to you. Yeah, that is it for today, my loves. Hope you're all well. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. Gonna film my other video. Sorry I keep shaking the camera. Right, you will see me in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.